Hello, hello, hello. So, what I am going to be talking about today is the Burts Beeswax. But yeah, the Burts Beeswax lip balm with vitamin E and peppermint. And the best part about it is, ooh, 100% natural. I love that. Like, knowing something that's like better for my body and for my health, and I just feel better. How I even came across this, so I was out of town and I was tired of wearing lip gloss with color or lipstick, especially throughout the day when I'm being active, and I just wanted something moisturized on my lips. So licking them every 10 seconds or feels dry. I just like my lips being moisturized. But anyway, so I came across this product and I was like, And the only reason why I was like, is because I purchased something from this brand before and my lips did not adapt to it very well. It just made my lips kind of look weird and it had color in it. So I don't know, maybe that was the issue. But anyway, I was like, okay, I'm going to try this again because for one, it's 100% natural and the reviews on it is good. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna give this a try and I'm gonna get this a go. I was like, okay, and my lips absolutely love it. If anything, it moisturizes it so well. Like, my lips are very moisturized and it gives it a little tingling, a little cool sensation, but that's just because of the peppermint that's in there. I love lip glosses or lip balms with peppermint or mint in it. I just like that cool feel on my lips where I feel like, okay, I don't know, to me, that makes me feel like my lips is doing something as far as, okay, we are absorbing this lip gloss or this lip balm, and thank you for moisturizing it. So, yeah, I absolutely love this lip balm. So, of course, it got beeswax in it. Okay. There's beeswax in it, there's vitamin E, and there's peppermint, as you can see. And I'll definitely go even more on the ingredients as I will scroll over so you can see on this lip balm. Okay. For it to be 100% natural, there isn't any, harm ingredients or harm chemicals or whatnot that's in that can cause you and your body harm. Ding, ding, ding. So that is wonderful. And I feel like, I don't know, especially if you put something on your lips, you should, make it where it ain't harmful. I mean, dang. I love it though. It definitely keeps my lips very moisturized. I didn't know at first, like, I'll be honest with you. I honestly didn't know it was infused with beeswax. At first, I just thought that was kind of the name, but it was like, why would they call it beeswax? But I don't know. I just thought it was, since the color and somebody's name or something. I don't know. Don't judge. Let me go ahead and scroll over on the ingredients and then definitely let you see what it looks like with the top off. Okay. So here are more ingredients. And it's cruelty free, as you can see. That bunny on there. And take the top off. Okay. Can I hold on, let me scroll up some. And they got it twisting at the bottom right here, so you can just twist it up. And it looks like this. And automatically when you take it off, it smells just like peppermint. That's all I smell as soon as this is taken. See, I'm about to put some on my lips right now. But yeah, there isn't really like a greasy feeling. I'll put some on my finger right now so you can. It's not really a grease feel to it, actually. Like, you can just see like it glistens a little bit. Hold on, I'll put some on my arm. I don't know, you can really see that. Like, It's a little shiny, but I mean, that little shine right there, I don't know if you might see it. I mean, adapt it a little bit more. Maybe you can see that shine. But yeah, I mean, there's not like your lips look like grease or nothing. Oh, I love this stuff. This is like making my lips cool now. But yeah, I definitely will recommend this, you know, especially if you're looking for something natural. They do have other products besides this one. So if you want something, I don't know, I guess with color, I believe they got one with color, or I believe they got like lipstick as well. Don't quote me on that. I think they do, but do not quote me on that. But again, this is the Burts Beeswax Lip Balm with vitamin E and peppermint. I would have kept the box, but I don't know. Sometimes like just throw the box away. You little box.